This is the introduction video for the 2D collision experiment. The first thing you want to do is take a new sheet out of this box. I have prepared one here already, but it's sticky on this side, so you have to fold over this bit and make it not stick. Once you have folded the sheet, you can insert it at the bottom of the page, make sure it's nice and aligned with this. Once you're ready to proceed, turn on the air supply with this switch here. You can turn the spark timer on by using the switch in the back. You can adjust the spark timer frequency by using the buttons in the front. Put the foot switch on the floor, then take a puck and put it on the corner of the sheet, and with the other puck, trace the bottom of the page while pressing the foot switch like this. If you do it right, you will see the bottom of the page with a series of lines on it. Get the length between the legs of the table like this. It should be around 60 to 61 centimeters. Prop up the table with the block. Knowing the height of the block and the length of the table, you can now do trigonometry to find the angle of inclination of the table. In the first part of the experiment, you will do a straight drop of the puck. So press the foot switch, release the puck, and stop the foot switch once the puck has hit the bottom of the table. In the second part of the experiment, you will take this puck and launch it at an angle. So press the foot switch, launch the puck, let go of the switch. If you have done things correctly, in the first part of your experiment, the results will look like this. In the second part of the experiment, they will look something like this. You can now make your measurements. Remember that for your experiments, you need to do this part and this part on separate sheets of paper. When you are done with the experiments or in between experiments, remember to put your protective sheet on top of the carbon paper to protect it from dust and damage. Also remember to return the foot switch to the table so that people don't trip over it.